In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and installing Hannshow's carbon fiber covers for the center console inside the Cybertruck. Let's go. Inside the first little box, very, very light packaged. Looks like it's the back section of the Cybertruck console. It does have adhesive on the bottom. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. We'll see. In the big box, same thing, same kind of packaging. It's the carbon fiber front. So it looks like it's gonna probably go like this in the trunk. So let's go get it installed. All right, so notice down here underneath there is inside the carbon fiber top for the center console, there are some adhesive strips. I have not been using them. So what you're gonna do is you can just take the carbon fiber sleeve, you wanna call it that, and just kind of slide it down. As it slides down, and it kind of folds over the edges. And it fits really good. I'm just kind of like tucking it on both sides here. Close it up. Kind of push back a little further once it's closed. You can see it fits very seamless in there, all the way around. And I can see why they'd want the adhesive strips on there so it sticks. But I don't want to use the adhesive strips for the purposes of, I don't want to ruin the leather, you know, if it sticks too tight or whatever. So, because in the future you might want to take this off and, you know, when you sell it or whatever. So, looks really good all the way around. Close it up. That's the front part. The carbon fiber cover for the front part of the console. Now we're gonna move on to the back side. All right, so here's the back side. So all you do is kind of like lay it on there, push down, and you can hear it snap. So it snaps down really nice. You can hear it click in, and it's very super simple. It's very flexible, so it will fit around. It fits perfectly back here by the screen. We'll get a little bit of video back here on that. But lift up here, you can kind of see. It's right here, see? Looks really good. Fits perfect. And here's the full carbon fiber look for your center console in your Cybertruck. Back here you can see, here's the screen. Here's the carbon fiber back end of the center console. It went on really good. I did not use the adhesive strips whatsoever. Use our code TTC on hansshow.com to get 20% off this or any other products on their website.